Hello, friends. Today, we have brought a very special device for you, the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Let's get started.
The iPhone 15 Pro Max continues Apple's tradition of sleek and elegant design. It features a ceramic back and a stainless steel frame, giving it a premium and durable feel. The front boasts a large and vibrant Super Retina XDR display. Speaking of the display, the iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with a 6.7-inch OLED screen that offers a high resolution and an impressive 120Hz per motion refresh rate. This results in smoother scrolling and improved responsiveness. Under the hood, Apple has powered this beast with its latest A16 Bionic chip. This custom-designed The camera system is where the iPhone 15 Pro Max truly shines. It boasts a triple camera setup, including a 108-megapixel primary sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 12-megapixel telephoto lens. Whether you're capturing stunning photos or recording professional quality videos, thank you for watching this video. Subscribe for more videos. Stay tuned for more exciting tech reviews, and we'll see you next time.